Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to figure out what to study in college. Start by looking inward. What truly sparks your curiosity? Reflect on your favorite high school subjects and activities. Consider what problems you'd love to tackle or how you envision making a positive impact. This initial self-assessment is a crucial first step, helping you narrow down broad areas of interest before diving deeper into specific fields. Next, it's time to explore. Dive into different college majors and understand what career opportunities they unlock. Investigate job market trends, including projected growth rates and average starting salaries, which can vary significantly. Don't hesitate to connect with people already working in fields that pique your interest. Their real-world experiences offer invaluable perspectives beyond what you'll find online. Gaining practical experience is incredibly insightful. Consider internships, volunteering, or even a part-time job in an area you're exploring. Many colleges offer introductory courses across various disciplines. Taking one or two can give you a taste of a subject without full commitment. Focus on developing versatile skills such as critical thinking, effective communication, and robust problem solving, which are valuable in any career path. Finally, it's time to make an informed decision, but remember, it's not set in stone. Synthesize everything you've learned from your self-reflection, research, and practical experiences. Many students change their major at least once, sometimes even 2 or 3 times, so embrace flexibility. Select a path that genuinely resonates with your personal values and long-term goals, knowing you can always adjust course later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.